To open safe mode on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, first you need to open the power menu, which can be done by pressing and holding the side button. So you can hold it for a couple of seconds to see the power menu, and then you need to press and hold your finger on the power off button for like a second. And then the power button will be switched to safe mode. Tap on the icon in order to reboot the device. And this time, once the device turns on, it will be in the safe mode. And there we go, we are now in the safe mode as it is visible in the bottom left corner. This might take like a minute to turn on the device, however, you can be simply patient. And now, in order to turn off the safe mode, in order to exit this mode, we need to once again open the power menu. So once again, let's press and hold the power button. And this time we need to simply restart our device. Now, once the device turns on, you will be back into the normal mode, and keep in mind that you will be most likely in the airplane mode. I mean, the airplane mode will be enabled, so you will need to turn it off in order to get access to Wi-Fi and some other features, of course. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!